Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a Pro preset on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So in the camera mode, you can switch to the Pro mode, and of course over here you have a bunch of different options related to the ISO, to the saturation, and so on and so forth. And if you wish to create a preset for yourself so that you can quickly switch between them, then once you are done with configuring your Pro preset, then you can press this button over here next to the shutter button, and then you can press add. Over here you will find the details of your preset. Of course you can set the name of your preset and then press OK. And there we go. Now over here in the same menu you will find all your presets over here. There are two pre-made presets as well, so we have the quick snap and we have star trails. And if you want to do something with the preset, then you can press these three dots actually over here in the top right corner of the preset, and then you have four options. You can rename the preset. You can even share the preset with someone else. You can delete it, and you can also open the details to find more about the preset. And if you choose to share, then of course you have this zip file that you can send through the quick share. You can use Xiaomi Share, you can use the Google Drive, or even WhatsApp and other apps as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!